Ever found yourself wondering if your current keyboard is truly the best option for your needs? Full-size keyboards have been the standard for years, but are they really the most efficient? They are bulky, hard to transport, and can lead to discomfort after prolonged use. Not to mention, they're filled with keys that many of us barely touch. It's a lot of space for not a lot of use, isn't it? Perhaps it's time to consider the benefits of a compact 75% size keyboard. Enter the compact 75% size keyboard, a revolution in keyboard design that's changing the game. This innovation is all about doing more with less. Imagine having all the functionality of a full-size keyboard, but in a sleek, space-saving design. That's what the 75% size keyboard offers. It's the perfect solution for those who value portability and efficiency without compromising on performance. To fully appreciate the 75% size keyboard, let's first understand its design. It's smaller than the standard keyboard, with fewer keys, but don't let this fool you. Each key is strategically placed to optimize your typing or gaming experience. Now, where does this compact size really shine? For gamers and professionals on the go, the 75% size keyboard is a game changer. Its lightweight and slim design make it easy to pack and carry. So whether you're heading to a gaming tournament or working in a cafe, your keyboard is always ready to go. But the benefits don't stop at portability. The 75% size keyboard is all about comfort too. Its compact design means less hand movement across the keys. This reduces strain on your wrists and fingers, making those long gaming sessions or work days much more comfortable. But the compact 75% size keyboard isn't just about portability and comfort, it's also about functionality. You might be thinking, fewer keys mean less functionality, right? Think again. Let's break down this common misconception. When we say a 75% size keyboard, we're not talking about losing 25% of your keyboard's functionality. Not at all. What we're really talking about is a lean, mean typing and gaming machine, stripped down to its most essential elements. You see, a compact keyboard maintains all the crucial keys you need for gaming and typing. We're talking about your alphanumerics, your modifiers, your function keys, your directionals. They're all there. But what's really exciting is the fact that many of these compact keyboards also feature customizable keys. Now you might be asking, what's the big deal with customizable keys? Well, let me tell you, these keys can be programmed for specific functions. That's right, you can assign these keys to perform any action you desire. Imagine you're in the middle of a heated gaming session. Your enemy is on the run, their health bar is dwindling. You've got them in your sights, and all it takes is one more attack to seal the deal. Instead of fumbling around trying to remember which key does what, you've got your trusty customized key. One press and boom, victory is yours. But it's not just for gamers. Customizable keys can be a godsend for anyone who relies on keyboard shortcuts. Programmers, writers, designers, just think about the possibilities. You can literally shape your keyboard to suit your workflow. Efficiency is the name of the game here. The less time you spend searching for the right key, the more time you have to focus on what really matters. Your game, your code, your design, your story. And let's not forget about comfort. A smaller keyboard means your hands are closer together, reducing strain and promoting a more natural typing position. So, you're getting an efficient, customizable, and comfortable keyboard experience, all wrapped up in a compact size. So, why is the compact 75% size keyboard truly the best keyboard option? Well, let's summarize the points we've discussed. Portability, ergonomics, and functionality. These aren't just fancy buzzwords, they're the pillars that make the compact 75% keyboard stand out from the crowd. Consider portability. The compact 75% keyboard is designed to be your digital companion wherever you go. It's lightweight, easy to carry, and fits snugly into your backpack. It's like having your digital workstation with you all the time, ready to spring into action whenever you need it. Next is ergonomics. The compact 75% keyboard is designed to be as comfortable to use as it is portable. It's not just about cramming keys into a smaller space, it's about creating a layout that's intuitive and easy on your fingers. This means less strain, fewer awkward hand positions, and ultimately, a more enjoyable typing experience. And finally, functionality. Yes, the compact 75% keyboard is smaller, but it's also smarter. It's packed with features that increase your productivity, whether you're a gamer battling in an online arena, a professional crunching numbers, or someone who simply enjoys a smooth typing experience. With a compact 75% size keyboard, you're not just getting a smaller keyboard, you're getting a smarter, more efficient way to interact with your digital world.